I want to go over some options you may come across when you are setting up a trunk in between two switches. Depending on the switch, you may only have one type of what's called an encapsulation, so you'll never get prompted for it. And as we set up the management VLAN in one of our earlier videos, the generic switch that I used only had that one encapsulation enabled, so we never got prompted for it. However, if you do have a switch that has multiple types of encapsulation, in order to set it up into a trunking port, you're going to have to identify the encapsulation first. So just really quick to show you again on the generic switch. So remember, we did on interface fast Ethernet 4/1. We were able to go Switchport mode trunk, and it pretty much accepts it without any problems. Now, if we come over here to this 3560, okay, here we go, interface fast. Let me check. It's on gig 01. Sorry, gig 0/1. We go Switchport mode trunk. Okay, same thing. We hit enter and we get an error here because it tells us our interface whose trunk encapsulation is auto cannot be configured to trunk mode. So if we do show run begin, let me go, yeah. Well, I guess it doesn't like that command, so let's do a do show run and get to it quickly. Since there's no encapsulation type or anything here, it's default. That's why we got that error message. So if we go Switchport trunk encapsulation and question it, we have the .1Q. And there's also what's called ISL. So in this case, if you, in the competition, you're trying to put it into a trunk mode and you get that error, just know you just go Switchport trunk encapsulation .1Q, enter, and now we can go Switchport mode trunk without any errors. Okay, thanks guys.